What if animals could survive in space? Meet the first animal that paved the way for human space travel. A small fruit fly that was launched by the United States on February 20th, 1947, aboard a V-2 rocket. This tiny creature was the first living being to reach space, and its mission was to test the effects of space travel on a living organism. The fruit fly was chosen because of its short lifespan and ability to survive in extreme conditions, making it the perfect candidate for this experiment. The idea behind this mission was to see how the fruit fly's body would react to the intense forces of launch, the extreme cold of space, and the lack of oxygen. Scientists wanted to know if the fruit fly could survive the harsh conditions of space, and if it could, what would happen to its body when it returned to Earth. This was a crucial step in understanding how humans could potentially survive in space, as the effects of space travel on living organisms were still a mystery. The fruit fly's journey to space was a significant milestone in the history of space exploration, and it paved the way for future missions involving larger animals, such as dogs, cats, and even primates. These missions helped scientists to better understand the effects of space travel on living organisms, and they played a critical role in the development of spacesuits, life support systems, and other essential technologies that are still used today. As scientists continued to explore the possibilities of space travel, they began to wonder what other animals could survive in space and how they could adapt to the harsh conditions of the cosmos. This led to a new era of research, focusing on the evolution of animals in space and how they could potentially thrive in extraterrestrial environments. One of the most fascinating discoveries in this area is the ability of certain animals to survive in extreme conditions, like the tardigrade, a tiny creature that can withstand intense radiation, extreme temperatures, and even the vacuum of space. This has led scientists to study the tardigrade's unique biology and how it can be used to develop new technologies for space exploration, like more efficient life support systems. By understanding how these creatures adapt to harsh environments, we can gain valuable insights into the possibilities of life on other planets and how we can create sustainable ecosystems for future space missions. As we continue to explore the possibilities of animal evolution in space, we're also learning more about the impact of microgravity on living organisms. For example, studies have shown that microgravity can affect the development of certain species, like frogs and fish, and even influence the way they behave in space. This research has important implications for our understanding of how life might evolve on other planets, where gravity is different from what we experience on Earth. By studying the effects of microgravity on animal evolution, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complex interactions between living organisms and their environments. The study of animal evolution in space is also shedding new light on the origins of life on Earth. By simulating the conditions of early Earth in space, scientists can recreate the primordial environments that gave rise to the first living cells. This research has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the history of life on our planet, and could even provide clues about the possibility of life on other planets. As we continue to explore the mysteries of space and animal evolution, we're reminded that the universe is full of surprises, and that the next big discovery is just around the corner. So be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the latest breakthroughs in the search for extraterrestrial life.